Hey, want to listen to some tunes?
Went to the shop, then I found a cop. He put me in jail and sent my bail to 25 million.
Yo, I'm live on Twitch, yeah.
Oh man, I really miss this monster hole, man.
Hey yo, anyone order a big pizza? Shit, hold on, 1 second, let me change that. There we go. Mouse covered a dick lover. Hey you! Have you ever wondered why you're so bad at
video games?
Well, worry no longer. Monster covers here! And I'm basically... What the fuck are those? Only Whoa, Buster, before you get out there and game, you gotta go and get your gamer gear. You may be wondering, where do I get gamer gear? Well, shut the fuck up. You gotta go outside, you gotta go to the store, pick up a gamer juice of your selection, and then go buy it. Let's say you're feeling a little advanced, go buy some Turtle Beach. Now, don't tell anyone I told you this, but you can also go on unknowncheats.com. So basically what you're gonna get doing now, you wanna open up your video game, you wanna open that shit, and then once that's oh, what? An update? TF2 update! Alright guys, I gotta live with you. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. To be quite honest with you, I just want to end the video, so I'm just gonna fucking do it now.